miscellaneous exercise on the inverse trigonometric functions. The 3 MCQs are given here in the miscellaneous exercise. We will solve all of them. First one, sine of tan inverse of x is equal to what? Very simple it is. Sine of tan inverse of x is that. Here you put two ways we can proceed. One is that we will convert this in terms of tan only. Tan inverse of x is equal to theta you take. This is the simple way. Tan inverse of x is equal to theta if you take. This is nothing but tan theta is equal to x. This tan theta is equal to x. You put it in a right angle triangle. Here is right angle. If I consider theta, tan theta is the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. This is nothing but x by 1. So hypotenuse will be 1 plus x square. Square root of 1 plus x square. See, sine of tan inverse of x is equal to sine of tan inverse of x. I have considered it as a theta. Sine theta is equal to, sine theta is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. That is nothing but x by square root of 1 plus x square. So here option D is correct. Now coming to the problem number 16, sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 times sine inverse of x is equal to pi by 2, then x is equal to. Here you can go for solving, or else simple way you go with the trial and error method. Trial and error method, here 0 is given. Coming to the first option, you substitute 0 in the expression. If you are getting LHS is equal to RHS, then we can go with the options A and C. A is correct or C is correct. B and D will be wrong. Directly we can consider. If 0 doesn't satisfy, then A and C options we will cancel. We will consider B and D. Now suppose A 0 satisfies it. Among A and C we have to choose any one. For that what we do, we will check whether 1 by 2 also satisfies the expression or not. If 1 by 2 also satisfies, then we will choose option A. Otherwise you will choose option C. That is trial and error method. Here I will solve it. Sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 times sine inverse of x, which is equal to pi by 2. This can be written as sine inverse of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 times sine inverse of x. I am taking this to the right hand side. Sine inverse of 1 minus x is nothing but 1 minus x is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus 2 times sine inverse of x. 1 minus x is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus is there. So this is nothing but cos of 2 times sine inverse of x. To simplify this, what you do? You substitute sine inverse of x is equal to theta. This is nothing but sine theta is equal to x. Right hand side it becomes cos 2 theta. Left hand side you don't do anything, because we are taking this term again in the form x. That's why cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 times sine square theta. That is the formula, standard formula studied in first PU. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 times sine square theta. 1 minus 2 will be as it is. Sine theta is x. So 1 minus 2 x square I can write. 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 x square. 1 and 1 get cancelled. You take this minus 2x square to the left hand side. It will be 2x square minus x is equal to 0. X you take common. X into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. One answer is x is equal to 0. Another one is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2. But directly we should not consider x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 2 as the solution. We have to check these two values will satisfy the expression or not. 0 we will check sine inverse of x is equal to 0. That becomes sine inverse of 1 minus 2 times sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. It becomes sine inverse of 1. What is sine inverse of 1? Nothing but pi by 2. Yes, 0 satisfies the equation. Now 1 by 2 is like substituting x is equal to 1 by 2 in the above expression, this LHS is sine inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 minus 2 times the sine inverse of 1 by 2. This is minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. Minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Means pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 we are getting. But here it is pi by 2 is there. So 1 by 2 we should not consider as the solution. So option C correct here. Coming to the problem number 17, tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y is there. It is directly like tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. What is tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to formula tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Here x is nothing but x by y and this y is nothing but x minus y by x plus y. Okay, using this formula the above expression can be written as tan inverse of x by y minus x minus y by x plus y divided by 1 plus x is x by y into y is x minus y by x plus y. Okay, this is a tan inverse of. Now you cross multiply x into x plus y minus y into x minus y divided by y into x plus y. Here also divided by x into y into x plus y will be there, that get cancels, and this will be y into x plus y plus x into x minus y. You simplify this, tan inverse of x square plus xy minus y into x minus xy minus y into minus y plus y square divided by xy plus y square plus x square minus x into y plus xy minus xy. Here also minus xy plus xy get cancels. Tan inverse of x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square we have. Both these two get cancels again. We have tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1 is 45 degree pi by 4. Therefore option C is correct here. Okay, with this exercise miscellaneous exercise completed. So we have completed the inverse trigonometric functions chapter completely. Thank you. Dear students, inverse trigonometric functions we have covered up to means whatever the questions are given in the NCERT textbook. NCERT textbook itself 2 mark questions and 3 mark questions will appear directly from the NCERT textbook. We need to study only NCERT. Don't go for any other textbooks. That is sure. That is book. And coming to the 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions based on the NCERT concepts, they may little bit twist. They may ask you. Sometimes they will give you directly also. Nowadays they are asking you direct questions from the NCERT itself for 1 mark also. See 1 mark questions. What are the which type of questions they asked after this means finding the domain and range of inverse trigonometric functions. Finding means directly they will ask you 1 mark questions. Directly you remember all those and write it. That is fine. And sometimes they will ask you write the principal value branch of and write the principal value of sine inverse of 1 by 2, cot inverse of minus 3. Like that they will give you. Like that many questions they will ask. And in 1 mark questions they will ask you this kind of questions also. What are those? Write the set of values of x for which means you write the set of all those values of x which satisfies this, which holds this expression 2 times tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is a formula which we have derived. But thing is that you may not be remember what are the values of x which holds good this. In that case, how to solve? Just what you do, right hand side you take, this is 2 times tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. What is the range of tan inverse? Range of tan inverse is open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That one we know. Means whatever this is, sorry, right hand side it is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This one is that. Whatever the value of x you substitute, this gives us only in the interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That is open interval. So I can write this one as tan inverse of 2x 1 by 1 minus x square is less than pi by 2 and is greater than minus pi by 2. This is must and should. Okay. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is nothing but 2 times tan inverse of x. I will write that. Next, what I want here, what are the values of x? I have to separate for x. So what you do? To cancel this 2, you divide throughout the equation by 2. Dividing by 2, pi by 2 by 2 means 90 by 2. It becomes 45, pi by 4 less than tan inverse of x less than pi by 2 is nothing but pi by 4. Here total get cancelled. Next what I want? I want x here. What are the set of values of x? So throughout the inequality you take tan. This is tan of minus pi by 4 less than tan of tan inverse of x less than tan of pi by 4. Tan of minus pi by 4 is nothing but minus 1 less than tan inverse get cancel x less than 1. Means set of values of x which satisfies the above expression is minus 1 to 1. Open interval minus 1 to 1. Or this can also be written as modulus of x less than 1. You don't need to remember like this, you should be able to solve it. And now coming to the second problem, write the set of values of x which holds good this. Here right hand side you see sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is there. What is range of sine inverse? Range of sine inverse is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Means whatever the value of x you substitute here, it will give us in the closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Means minimum value of this one is pi by 2 and maximum value is minus pi by 2. This indicates we are including end points also. Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to. This can be written as 2 times tan inverse of x less than or equal to pi by 2. We have to separate for x. Same thing what we did in the previous case we will do. Dividing throughout the equation by 2 minus pi by 4 it will be pi by 2 by 2 90 by 2 45. Tan inverse of x less than or equal to pi by 4. Next, to have x here we will take tan. If we take tan throughout the inequality, there is no change with the sign of inequality, it will be same. Tan of minus pi by 4 less than or equal to tan of tan inverse of x less than or equal to tan of pi by 4. Tan of minus pi by 4 is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to is there. This can also be written as modulus of x less than or equal to 1. Coming to this third problem for values of x for which this one holds good. Here cos is there. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. What is the cos inverse range? Cos inverse range is closed interval 0 to pi. So closed interval is there cos inverse of x. Here means minimum value pi, maximum pi and 0 will write here. Simple way. 0 less than or equal to, this can be replaced by 2 times tan inverse of x less than or equal to pi. Same way we need to solve for x. Dividing throughout the equation by 2, 0 by 2 less than or equal to tan inverse of x less than or equal to pi by 2, and then it is nothing but 0 less than or equal to tan inverse of x less than or equal to pi by 2. Throughout the equation you take tan. Tan 0 less than or equal to tan of tan inverse of x less than or equal to tan pi by 2. Tan inverse get cancelled here. Tan 0 value is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to tan 90 value is infinity. Means x is taking the values 0 to infinity, all positive real numbers, or this can also be written as x is greater than or equal to 0. This is how we should solve this kind of questions. This kind of questions they will ask, and other will be direct questions which is covered in NCERT solutions. Thank you.